Hi folks, it's Thursday morning. We're down here at Delacroix. There's my granddaughter of the pack right there, Vienne. Got two of her friends with us over here, Melissa and Macie. Macie and Gabi. We're over here at Delacroix. Looks like we got a little bit of water this time. Last time it was a little low. Oh shit, I'm losing my pants. Alright folks, my trusty first mate's getting everything ready. Breaking in the anchors ready. He's got the poles all apart, ready to go. There's our guests up front. On the right there is, in the pink, is Vienne. In the middle is Gabi. And on the other side over there is Macie. And that's Big Don up front. Got them under control, Bubba. Alright folks, we're all gassed up over Lionel's. Miss Joan helped us, took a picture for us inside our store. That's where the girls want to ride at. I told them they had to lay down. Couldn't stand up or sit up there. All of them have their life jackets on. Big Don's ready, I'm ready. Let's see what the day brings.
Thanks, Miss Joan, for the sunglasses.
Oh, Miss Joan.
Thank you.
Alright folks, VN's on. We're going to get these girls in the water pretty soon. Let's see what they got though. Might be a catfish. That's on bait though. That's a redfish. Keep going. Just fighting them. Just hold them. Just hold them. You alright? You alright? Just hold your pole up high. Let him fight.
Get that net.
Easy, baby. Easy. Just reel him slow. You ain't got to fight him. If he wants to run, let him run. Oh, hold your pole up. Hold him up. Don't let him get in the boat. Ooh, big old catfish, man. That's the biggest. That's alright. We'll take them. They're fun. Big old sailboat. The Lord's answered my prayers. Coming in hot. That's how I go get another. Folks, you're on a fishing trip here and we fishing half. I don't know, folks. It ain't my problem. Alright, folks. Got another trout here. So far we got 4 trout. 5 trout. Woo! 5. Alright, folks. We kind of got them in the line here. And my first mate up there is helping Gabi. I'm got Macie here and I got Vienne here. And we're trying to catch some trout.
Up and in, up and in, up and
Get
in.
that trout in, Vienne. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
In.
All right, flip your bail.
Okay.
There you go. Good job.
Hold on, let me flip it.
Flip it.
Okay, it's flipped.
Well, why ain't it coming out then? Hold on. Something wrong. All right, folks, Vienne's got a trout. Woo, look at the size of this trout. Whoa. Don't reel them more. Just come on in. Come on in.
Up and in.
Drop them in the bottom of the boat.
Good job.
Flip your bail.
Good job.
There you go.
What is this?
Macie catch one. Macie got one. Whoa, hold on a second. We got a double header here. Whoa, look at the size of this trout. Whoa.
Keep reeling.
Whoa.
Keep reeling.
Whoa.
Keep reeling.
Whoa. Get him, me. Oh, man. I thought you had one, girl. Hey, Gabi's got another one, folks. This is number 3 for Gabi. Number 4 for Gabi.
Come on, Gab.
Get over here, baby. Move this way. Let me get I can't get a picture of her.
Stay with it.
I'm sorry.
Just keep them tight.
Come on, Gabi. Gabi.
and steady.
Come on, Gabi. Get him.
Come
Ooh.
on, Gabby.
Ooh, get the net. Get the net. Get the net.
Dang, we're bringing Gabi.
Don't lose him, Gabi.
I'm grabbing the net.
Ooh, it's a big trout, Gabi. That's a big trout, baby.
Here, let me see.
Woo! Get him, Gabi! Whoa! Yeah.
There you go.
That's number 4 for Gabi, folks. Oh, we got some action over here. Oh no! Look at this. Catfish. Just watch it.
Here.
Oh, croaker. Hey, folks, we gotta get Gabi where she wants to hold the fish, but she won't do it.
This is her fish.
All right. Where's your pole at?
Yeah,
I got it,
On the
okay.
way in.
Woo! Look at this mule. Whoa!
I'm wrapped up.
Macie's on. Macie's on. What she's got, folks? Woo! Get him, girl. Get him. Watch if it's a catfish now. I don't want no catfish in my face. Take your time. If it's a catfish. Oh, that ain't no catfish, though. That ain't no catfish. What is that, man? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, he's going down. He's diving. What could be a catfish? Wow! 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 Get him, Vienne.
And I cast it in
Whoa,
this time.
catfish, that's all right. Leave him hang in the water. Rule is you let him hang in the water. Again, folks, Macie's on, Macie's on. What we got? Wow! 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 No, croaker. Up front, not for him. He knows how to do it, man. Man up front's got one, folks.
Watch out, get that line out the way.
Oh, y'all get the line out of his way now.
And just
Then get the fish in. There you go. Keep out his way. Come on, man. Bring that fish in. Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, the girls are looking at it.
It's a catfish.
A catfish? Oh, big catfish. Whoa, hard-headed. Gaff top, folks. I like the gaff tops. Gaff tops got trout. Oh, Macie's on. Get him, May. Whoop, 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 whoop. Come on. What we got, girl? What we got? What we got? It ain't no catfish, I don't think. Oh, that's diving now, but it ain't a catfish. It's not a catfish. Yeah, it is a catfish. All right, folks, Vienne's on here. Whoop, another catfish. Macie's on fire here, folks. Better hold that pole up, girl.
My fish escaped, bro.
Hold up, Mace. That's it. Get your pole out the way, Vienne.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Fish of the day here. Fish of the day. Be a drum, baby. One time. Be a drum. I don't grab a pole up there, you'll pop it. Oh, whoa. What is this? Whoa. What is this? Let him run if he wants to run, babe. What you got, Macie? Oh, bait's coming in. The bait's coming in. I see the bait. Whoa. Whoa. Hold him up, Macie. Hey, folks, Vienne's got another one here. Come on, V. Hold your pole up, baby. All right, stop reeling right there. Nice one. That pole up, Vienne. Hold that pole up. Don't let that catfish get away. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, croaker. La croaker. All right.
That's a nice size croaker.
That's 4 more. Macie got one, folks.
Oh, leave it in the water. Leave it in the water.
Hey, folks, Vienne's got another one. She's coming on strong here. Coming on strong here. Woo, catfish. Come on, Vienne. Get him, V.
Careful.
Vienne's in the penalty box. Gabi took Macie took a spot. There's a catfish. They catching. 2 at a time up here, folks. Bowman's 3 at a time, folks. 3 at a time. We killing them. We murdering them. Oh my Lord. The Vienne's. That ain't no.
Are you kidding?
Go up get the net, Ben. Go get the net for him. Put this front down. Go get the net.
Oh, sorry.
Got a big croaker, babe. Big croaker. That's good. Hold it right there for a second.
I probably got a big catfish. More than likely.
Gabi's got a big old croaker, folks. Big croaker. My man up front don't know what he's got. We gotta find out. Macie's up there, got one, folks. He's got one, folks. He's fighting this fish. Whoa, don't.
Oh, it is a catfish.
Catfish. That's all right. Oh, step back, baby. Step back. Double header, folks. Double header. Double header. Oh, two catfish. Whoa. Freshwater cat and the hardhead. We doing good. All right, folks. Vienne's got another one here. Oh, catfish. That's all right. We having fun. Get him, Mace. Well, I don't catfish. Don't look at no catfish, man. Oh, Vienne's got one.
Oh, I lost it.
Hardhead. First bait in the action up there. Oh, catfish is on fire up there. Double header. Double header. Catfish are biting. We tearing them catfish up. Holy mackerel.
Oh, that makes us all tied.
Oh, croaker. Croaker. That's number 5.
Finishes it.
You can pull that one
Oh
off.
my God, it has a wiener again.
Grab the rag
Pull
and
that one off.
you can grab
Pull them from under, though. Pull them from under. Same way you grab a trout, but a little
Vienne, you got a
more
fish on, I think,
got a
babe.
few little
I do?
spikes.
Oh, I do.
Vienne's got a fish on, so don't even know it.
Spinning. I was trying to take a
Hold your
picture for
pole up.
Macie.
Hold your pole up.
Just wait. Use your hand to slow him down.
Man, she's got a nice croaker up there. Oh, Vienne lost hers. I hope it didn't pop your line. Bowman's got one. Bowman's got one.
Almost had 10.
We're coming in here left and right, folks.
Almost had 10, or 10, 9.
Oh, another catfish. Doing good, Vienne. At least we're finding out how they bite. Oh, Vienne's got one, folks. The drum are going to start running, I'm telling you. Somebody get a net. Somebody get a net. Hold it right there.
Someone get a net, please.
Somebody get a net. Somebody get a net.
And he has a penis.
Whoa, go Vienne, whoa.
Oh my.
All right, folks, that's the second drum of the day. They're starting to bite. Macie's got one up front.
12 to 13.
Gabi's got one here, folks. Gabi's got one.
Yes!
Whoa.
Gabby made it to 10.
Show her how to do it.
What is that?
10, 12, 13.
All right, Macie's got one up top, folks. Look out, look out. Dong, dong, dong. Oh, double header, folks. A double header.
I lost one.
Oh, that's a trout. That's a nice trout there, boss man. That's a nice trout. Look, folks, that's what we're looking for. She's got one too. Oh, look at the size of this trout. Get him in the boat. Oh, boom.
Ooh, barely made it.
Oh. All right, folks, Vienne's got something. Yeah. Come on, V. Hold that pole up. Hold that pole up. Oh, yeah.
Another drum?
Another drum.
How did I catch 2 drums?
Woo! Woo! Oh, get your line tangled up. You gotta get out here her way, Macie. Alright, folks, on our way back in. Crews assume their position. That's where they like to ride at. We got a bunch of fish, folks. We got like 22 trout, 5 drum, 5 croakers, 2 stingrays, 3 gap tops, 4 freshwater cats, and about 40 hardhead. I think the crew had a good time, thank the Lord, because it's 100% chances of rain today, and we ain't got wet yet. Heading in, it's around 12:27. We're heading over to Penny's Cafe to get us some fried chicken. Buffet, fried chicken.